The biggest benefit of having this surgery with Dr. Clegg was the relief of the constant pain and getting the use and strength back in my arm and shoulder. And I feel like myself again. Hi, my name is Kelly Seal. I had a rotator cuff repair surgery and a torn bicep repair surgery. I had that in March of this year, and I feel great. Before, I could not do a lot of my crafts, sewing and painting and stuff like that. It was all I could do to get through the workday because it would cause me so much pain. I have 4 dogs that I love to train and work with and walk, and I was feeling so bad I couldn't do that. So now I'm back to all my fun hobbies, and I'm back to feeling productive at work. I immediately liked him. I immediately felt comfortable, and I completely had faith and trust in him. He explained it exactly what had happened in there, what he was going to do to resolve it, what I could expect, and I was ready to do it.
She was, I think, only in therapy 3 or 4 weeks and really kind of didn't have much pain afterwards at all. Sometimes those procedures can be pretty prolonged recovery, but she really zipped through everything and is doing well. She's back, sleeping through the night, no pain, function is really good. So we're very happy for her.
I feel like a new person. I have gotten back into all the stuff that I was really missing out on, and don't have to sit in a chair with an ice pack on and take all the pain medications. That is, not something I like to do. And I just feel great that I can just get up and do all these stuff I love, and I don't even have to think about it. I have recommended Dr. Clegg, and I will continue to recommend Dr. Clegg. And he really cares about his patients. I mean, he called me the day of my surgery in the evening to check on me. And I've never had a doctor call and check on me, ever. That said a lot to me.